How to grow parsley. So first thing you got to do is seed it, and if you want to check out the video on how to seed parsley, I'm going to work on that and I'll get a link up there. But for now, what we've got is a nice transplant here. It's very beautiful, and this was done in a 72 cell flat. We started them in 128 cells and then we potted them up to 72s, and now I'm going to plant these guys under black plastic mulch. That's going to prevent most of the weeds, so we won't have to do that much weeding. And the parsley is quite cold tolerant. It is tolerant to a light frost, but not when the plants are young like this. So you want to make sure that you pass your last frosting ideally when you plant out your parsley. And we're going to do it with 3 rows on a 6-inch spacing. You can put them very close together, and you can do successive harvests on the parsley. So check out this other video here about how to maximize your harvest on parsley. But basically you can harvest over and over again, and we could probably get about 20 harvests on this parsley. So today we are May 10th, and let's get planting. Very important when you put new transplants out that they've been well watered. So these have been double watered, even triple watered this morning. And as soon as we plant, we're going to turn the drip irrigation on right away, because it's about 32 degrees out right now. So these guys are going to need to drink water ASAP.